Welcome to the ultimate quiz challenge of point clouds and LiDAR. This course is designed to be a comprehensive quiz-based exploration of the captivating world of LiDAR and point clouds. Our aim is to test and strengthen your expertise in this cutting-edge technology through a series of thought-provoking questions. In this course, you will encounter a series of quizzes covering various aspects of LiDAR, including its fundamentals, point cloud acquisition, processing algorithms, segmentation techniques, meshing, data structure, and more. Each quiz is carefully curated to challenge your understanding and enhance your expertise. To challenge and engage your knowledge, we have included various question types such as multi-selection, multi-question, fill-in-the-blank, and true or false. This diversity ensures a comprehensive assessment of your understanding. Furthermore, we understand that true learning comes from clear explanations. Each quiz question is accompanied by a detailed explanation, empowering you to learn from your answers and strengthen your grasp of LiDAR and point cloud. We consistently update our quizzes to include the latest trends and developments in the field. This ensures that your knowledge is always aligned with the most recent advancements. If you have a passion for LiDAR, point clouds, and a thirst for knowledge, this quiz challenge is a perfect fit for you. Regardless of your experience level, our quizzes offer valuable insights for everyone in the field. Join us in this educational journey today and unlock the full potential of LiDAR and point clouds.